last year, came over.
Hi.
You alright?
Yeah.
Where are we?
Santa Pod Raceway.
Yay! For...
Monster Truck Nationals.
And which team are we supporting?
Swamp Thing.
Swamp Thing! So this is the toy that Mo's made. Look at that. Swamp Thing. And in a moment we're going to give it to Tony. Claire's seen it already. She loves it. Look at that. That is just awesome. These are the wheels that we were talking about in the video before. Now we're going to give that to Tony and it's going to be awesome. So we're in the pit party.
Yep.
Let's go find our truck.
Go find our Swampy.
He's further, so you might not get his name.
That one is Grim Reaper. We've got Lambo, not Mo's favourite. Is it a monster car, not a monster truck? Big Pete,
Big.
that's my favourite. And we've got Godzilla, I'm not sure, Big Thunder. But one we're after, right down the end, green one at Swamp Thing. So this is Swamp Thing. This is the essence of Mo's desire, her obsession, and her dream. Wow, that sounds really cheesy, doesn't it? Oh my word. Right, so yeah, this is Swamp Thing, and this is why we're here this weekend to watch Swamp Thing race. There's Tony there in the tracksuit, in the green jumpsuit there. And yeah, there she is, waiting to give her present to Tony. How excited are you?
Very.
Can't wait.
Yeah.
It's been a long time coming.
Yes.
Oh my god! Moana, what have you done? You got to have that in the vlog. That's amazing. Oh, thank you, darling. Oh.
Nice to see you.
Yeah? So, I've known Moana for many years. You've been a true Swampy fan, and I've never had one of these before. Look what Moana has made. How long did that take you, Moana?
A month and a bit.
A month and a bit. Wow, and I know you're really busy at university. Thank you, that means a lot to me. Thank you, darling. Well, that's definitely going in the office. Thank you, darling.
Okay.
Engage the gears. Wait for the green, count me down. 3, 2, 1, hit it! Champion of 2024, Tony Nixon, Swamp Thing!
How good that went? Yeah!
Wow, wow, wow. Well, that's just part one. I'm out of breath. I'm going to give you a little bit of time to stretch your legs, nip to the loo, grab a burger, whatever. But in about 15 minutes time, there is a 10,000 horsepower jet car going to be on that start line. So you need to be making your way over there. Here's our champion. I think he deserves a massive cheer again. I was worried for a minute. Here we go. Tony Nixon. Time starts when he hits the first obstacle. Oh yeah. seconds. Oh, he's going back! 15 seconds left.